y'all, it's your girl Candidly MalasiaP here on YouTube, and today I'm bringing you all another Let's Play makeup series on my channel. This look today was basically inspired by my mood. I'm just gonna be honest with you guys, I wasn't really feeling very happy this day. I was kind of in my feelings, you know, just going through it a little bit, but nonetheless I said, you know what, I'm gonna turn how I feel into something positive. So I went for like a grungy glam because that's just how I was feeling. I was feeling very grungy. But I really enjoy making these Let's Play makeup videos on my channel. I just feel like it's super fun. But I wanted to just, like I said, turn something negative, how I was feeling, into something positive. So, of course, I have to start off doing my brows, y'all. If y'all been watching me for a little minute, then you know that's the first step I do is my brows. It just shapes everything. It makes it look marvelous. So I've been trying to find a better brow routine. I'm still kind of playing with different products and trying to figure out what works best for me. But other than that, I mean, I feel like they came out really good. But while I'm doing that, I wanted to talk to my ladies, okay? Is it just me, or do y'all feel like y'all been on edge lately? Like a little bit angry, and you can't really explain why. You're just kind of like, you kind of just don't want to be bothered. You kind of feel like you're going to snap on just anybody at any point, right? Like, that's the best way I can describe how I was feeling that day. Like, it's just, I don't know. I guess just being a woman, sometimes you just randomly get in your feelings, or like the smallest thing could like irritate you, or I don't know how to describe it, but basically that's how your girl was feeling that day. And you know, that's normal. It's human. Like, we're all human beings. We all have different moods, and we're not always going to be happy, and I think that that's okay, as long as we channel that into something positive. As long as we're not giving life to things that are dead, as long as we're not giving power to people who do not deserve it, I think that, you know, practicing healthy habits, better mental health habits is something that needs to be stressed, especially in the Black community, I feel like, because a lot of us don't really know how to deal with how we feel, and that's why we can't be good human beings right now, currently. I just feel like people as a whole should just try to do better. But I know that some people, you know, they're just stuck in their ways, and some people just don't really know how. So I think it's important to really stress better mental health, better healthy habits. And I feel like this day was an example of that. So I'm human, guys. I know I come on here on YouTube, and for the most part I'm happy-go-lucky and everything, but I'm a grad student, I work, and I intern, okay, and I have a personal life. So things just always find a way to just kind of get bad. But I mean, that's life. Like, every day's not a bad day for me, and I would hope that every day's not a bad day for you as well. But even in those bad days, I really hope that, including myself too, guys, like everything I'm saying to y'all, I'm really kind of like preaching to the choir right now for myself. But even in those bad days, just really try to focus on something positive. Remind yourself who you are each and every day, because like I said, we're human beings, and the world is not perfect. Life is not always great, and people go through real life like stuff. So anywho, let me get off my soapbox. But I mean, I just really wanted to come on here and just kind of talk to my girls, because I have been feeling kind of like moody. And I mean, to my best, like, to describe myself, I feel like just on a regular day, I'm not a very emotional kind of person. I do like notice a lot, pick up on a lot, feel different things out, but I'm not very emotional. Don't get me wrong, I can get very emotional, but I just try to stay sane for the most part, and I try not to give power to a lot of different things, because I do pick up on a lot. So I feel like, you know, with the friends that I have here in Tallahassee, I feel like with just, you know, spending quality time on alone, that I've been able to really kind of practice better healthy habits. I meditate, I pray, I do YouTube, you know, I go out, I have fun, but I also do things alone and try to spend time with me and get to know me more, and, you know, just take care of who I am as a young woman, as a Black woman, as a person, you know. So obviously everybody goes through different things. This is not geared towards just Black women or just women, you know, but hello, I'm a Black woman, so that's what I speak on. But yeah, So that's just my little spiel. But on a positive note, I'm super excited that this semester is about to be over and I will only have one more semester left before your girl gets her MBA. Like, I'm just looking forward. I'm moving forward. I'm looking ahead. I'm looking at what I have to do, what lies ahead. I know that's pretty repetitive, but you guys get what I'm saying. I'm just focused on the future, and the future looks very bright. I will be degreed with a good job and, making good money in Jesus' name. So, it's easy to get sad and think about what I don't have, but it's also, easy to think about what I do have, and I feel like I have a lot. So, that's that. But this pretty much concludes the look. I really hope you guys enjoy. This is a kind of short little video, but I hope you guys subscribe, comment, and like this video. Please take care of yourselves. Love you all. Bye.